Rose. Take. Okay. First of all, congratulations, Doctor, on the achievement.
Thank you.
I would like to know your name, rank achieved, batch, and place you're from.
I am Dr. Amrita Biswas from Kolkata. My rank is 2 in AIMS and 28 in PGI. And I am from RK1 Kolkata 2010 batch.
Very good, very good. How you joined IMS? Who told you about it?
It's a little bit short but nice story. Actually, we are 4 friends who studied in groups in undergraduate. 3 of them joined in IMS, and I was thinking, I was quite thinking whether to join, not to join. And one of my friend, he is now in AIMS. He just went in IMS Kolkata branch and paid for me. Okay. So I was bound to join.
Okay.
And
so it happened by paying by somebody else. Very good, very good. He wanted you to, so he's your best friend
actually.
Okay, what has been your experience so far with IMS?
It's very nice. There are some things I want to share. That the short subjects like skin, psychiatry, anesthesia, and ENT, gynae obs. I have no words to express how much these classes helped me. I think not a single word I read except from IMS note.
Oh, I see.
And one line I remember from Puneet S. Bhujani, the gynae obs said, that one line from his book, that each and every line from this book is MCQ, and he challenged that both in AIMS and PGI in all India, there will be no question outside this book, and this is absolutely true.
Very good, very good. What do you say about the faculties which are there to teach you those material?
The subjects that I told just, they are fantastic. I have a little complaint about anatomy. Anatomy is like lecture was a little bit boring for me. I am pretty much weak in anatomy. That is also true. And one thing I just want to share, that in pediatrics class probably there is something called AIMS pediatrics protocol. So in AIMS and all India, the questions are coming from that AIMS pediatrics protocol. So if they teach it in class, I think it will be more helpful. And one thing also, in Kolkata we missed that group discussion after FTS session. We missed it really. And my suggestion is that the answer that they gave me after FTS, there must be a reference must be there.
Okay, with the group discussion.
Not a group discussion, from which book they are referring. There must be there. But there are some answers, they are very much conflicting.
Okay. So it will really help you if some references are there. And you missed group discussion, which means if
very much.
If we can provide you, if IMS can provide you
a
group discussion in Kolkata, would really help students.
Really?
I will put this to the management. Certainly, I'll put it. And apart from this, dear, how was the literature? How was the books? I mean, when you went through them, the structure of the book, the contents of the book, the way it has been communicated as in content, do you think it is at par with what is expected by the student?
Absolutely at par. Absolutely. The subjects that once again I am telling, ENT, skin, psychiatry, anesthesia, gynae obs, systemic pathology. These are absolutely fantastic.
And what one subject which you were saying you are not even good at was?
Anatomy.
Anatomy, and you want that if something can be done on that. Do you think that content was little?
No, content is good, but the lecture class was a little bit boring.
Okay. But otherwise the literature was absolutely okay. Good, fantastic. Okay, now what is in your view? If I tell you, since you could not attend the group discussion part, but otherwise group discussion must have been happening in the Kolkata batch. So what do you gain out of it? Do you think that it was really good, the group discussion there?
In IMS I have never joined group discussion, any group discussion. But one thing, my suggestion for junior is that the real success lies that you must join some group discussion, because we used to discuss in our groups, in our friend circle, so that it helps in striking the same question. Sometimes
we'll start with group discussion again. What do you think about the group discussion part, really? You wanted to suggest something to the juniors?
The group discussion part is very important, whether in IMS or whether it's the friend circle 3 or 4, because it's a long procedure throughout 1 year. So lot of thing we read and we tend to forget.
Correct.
And that thing hammers repeatedly,
Again and again.
and some questions just comes out by reflex in examination hall.
Very good, very good. Okay, now you have shared such a nice idea about it. What exactly is your opinion about the test sessions which are happening, like the FTS, like the subject-based test, or maybe the online test? Have you gone through all of them, or which one you did?
No,
and
no.
how were they?
Online test I have never given. Mainly my focus was on FTS, and there is also a suggestion that FTS is very good because of two things. One, the time is 3 hours, so and the questions in IMS are a little bit lengthy, so it helps in preparing, so that if in all India the questions comes a little bit longer, so that we can complete it, and the penetration part of the question it helps us to penetrate the question well. And if the question
Attend
comes
the
very
question
straightforward,
well. Yeah.
then okay. But the question it comes lengthier, then it helps. The FTS helps how to assess which are the important marks and how to go through easily, very rapidly.
Very good, very good. Okay, one single statement if I ask you to say about IMS, what it would be?
Just join it and have it.
Experience it and then talk about it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Wish you all the best
Thank
for the
you.
future.